Yeah, so far we have created this window, and also we have finished making this file menu, so we can new and save and open file, yeah, stuff like that. And so this time I think we're gonna work on this format section. And so yeah, okay, let me show you. This is the finished one. So it's gonna have these 3 sections. So the one is word wrap, and so on or off, so you can change on or off. And then font, you can select a font, and also font size. So that we're gonna implement this time. So yeah, let's start. So to make this format section, so let's make a new class. So this time let's name this as function format. And also let's get this GUI again, constructor format. Yeah, receive this GUI, and this dot GUI we call GUI. And okay, so let's initialize the class in this GUI class function format equal new function format, and this, yeah, same as this file class. Okay, so let's create this format menu items. So we're gonna make so first 3 items, and also like sub items for this font and font size. Okay, so let me tidy up this a little bit. So this is text area components, and also this is top menu bar, and so this is for file menu. And so we're gonna make something for file format. Format menu. So first let's name this as wrap, and then we're gonna create this font and font size. And but this is actually not a J menu item, but this is actually a J menu. So this is also a menu, so it contains another items. So it's a bit complicated, but so this is a J menu item, and this is J menu and J menu and the J menu items. These are items. So J menu items, yeah, this is okay for now. And also then J menu, and first font. So no, menu font, and also menu font size. Okay for now. So then let's create another method here. So public void create format menu. And the first I wrap. So this is J menu item. So new J menu item, and so inside word wrap. So this is kind of default text. So default word wrap is off, and we're gonna change this later. So and wrap add action listener, and this not I warp, but I wrap set action command, So this time word wrap. Then we're gonna add this wrap to menu format. I think we have created this one, menu format, but add high wrap, and then menu font, call new J menu, and font. And we don't need to add action listener because this is just a J menu. So we just need to add this menu font to this menu format. Also menu font size. This is also J menu, and font size. And add to this menu format menu font size. Okay, let's check this. Create format menu. Okay, let's call this method as well. Create format menu from this constructor. So let's see. Okay, click this. Okay, so now we can see these options. So yeah, let's add this sub items as well. So I think we're gonna prepare 3 font options for this one. The one is Arial and also Comic Sans MS, and also Times New Roman. So let's create another J menu items this time. So item font Arial and font Comic Sans MS and Times New Roman. And also we're gonna add the size option. So yeah, let's add some font size. Okay, 8 size, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Okay, so let's initialize these. So around here, so first I font Arial equal new J menu item Arial, and this time we're gonna add action listener. So also action command, same Arial, and oh wait, what? Oh, and we're gonna add this to this menu font. I think J menu font. So okay, so menu font at I font Arial. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing to Comic Sans and Times New Roman as well. So let's change the name here. Comic Sans MS. Sans MS, and also Times New Roman. Okay, and then we're gonna add those size option after this font size menu. Okay, so font size 8, so we're gonna make a lot of options. So J menu item, and the first one is 8. Also we're gonna add action listener and action command. So size 8, and so this time we're gonna add this to menu font size. So menu font size dot add this one, font size 8. Yeah, we're gonna repeat this for this 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So probably I'm gonna fast forward this. And also let's change this action command. Inside of this one is you can just type number, but I think this is easier to understand. So okay, let's check this, check the program. So format, font. Okay, so now we can see this. Oh, oops, 8. Just a moment. I forgot to change this. 28. So now, we can see these options. Okay, so GUI part for this format is done. So let's adding the function to these options. So first, let's take care of this word wrap. Let's open the Star Wars file. So so text is not auto wrapping. So let's choose this format class, and here let's create a method, word wrap or something. Okay. Okay, so let's create a variable to see if word wrap is on or off. So we can make it here, or maybe inside of this text area, because it's about this text area. So let's make a boolean here. So boolean and word wrap on, and the default is false. So and let's go back to this function format, and so we're gonna use this boolean here and make this if statement. So if GUI dot word wrap on equal false. So this means, so we're gonna call this method when you click this item. So if word wrap is off, and if you click this, we want to turn it on. So if you word wrap false, and if you click this, then first equal true. Let's make this true, and also let word wrap happens. So to do that, we're gonna use this text area and type like this: set line wrap true. So this is how you make like a line breaking happen. And also we want to add one more line. So text area dot set wrap style word true. Without this word, so line breaks like anywhere, like middle of word or something. But if you add this, then line break doesn't happen how to say, in the middle of a word, so it always happens between words. So that what this means, set wrap style word. Adding this makes, you know, the line breaking look like a bit more beautiful. And also then let's change the text here. So now word wrap is on, so let's change this from off to on. So what is it, I wrap dot set text, and so this time word wrap on. That's it. Now let's do the opposite. So else if, so if word wrap is already on, word wrap on is already on, true, then let's turn it off. So basically what we're gonna do is the opposite of this one. So let's copy this, paste here, and so now this is false, and this is also false, and false, and off. Yeah, that's it, I think. And so let's call this word wrap. So that means if you click this I wrap item, then it's gonna call. Okay, let's copy this, and action command is this one, word wrap. Then this time not file but format dot word wrap. Wait. Format means this one, this class. So it's gonna call this word wrap method inside of this format, function format class. Okay, let's check if this is working or not. Open this Star Wars. It looks like this, and so let's turn this on. Okay, yeah, it worked. So now line gets wrapped automatically. So line break is happening. And so yeah, now it says on, and if you click this, off, on, off. Okay, so now let's take care of this font and font size. So first let's create these three fonts. So Arial, Comic Sans MS, and the Times New Roman. So I think I'm gonna make a method here, void create font, and okay, also here font and Arial, Comic Sans MS, Times New Roman, and import. And okay, here let's initialize it, Arial new font, Arial dot font dot plain. And so here so we can type like a specific number, but actually we want to get this font size number from this font size 8 or 12 or whatever. Like if you click this 16, then it's gonna send this number to this create font. So we want to receive integer here, and like a font size, and also so not specific number but the font size. So we want to use a number here. Okay, so yeah, let's take care of other two fonts as well. Sans Times New Roman, and okay, Comic Sans MS, and also Times New Roman. So okay, let's leave this for now. So because we need to get this number to proceed, and also then yeah, we've already added this action command, so let's add some case here for these size buttons. So first this one, size 8, and in this case format and dot create font this time, and yeah, let's send this 8. So create font method is this method, so it's gonna sending 8 to this create font method, so it's gonna use this 8 as the font size for this font. So yeah, let's make other stuff as well. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So and 28. Okay, so now we can create these fonts. So let's set one of these font on this like text area. So I think I'm gonna make another method, set font. So for this we want to receive information about, you know, which font was selected. So I think I'm gonna put the string here and the font, and also I'm gonna make a string here as well, and name this as a selected font, and we're gonna use this selected font here equal font. Then so now we want to send this string font information to this method. So how we're gonna do is, yeah, this one. So if you click one of these, you know, if you click this area, then it's gonna send the name of this font to this method. So to do that, we're gonna use these JMenu items. We've already added action command to these 3 buttons. So case area format dot set font, and this time area, or actually we can use this command because it's, you know, it's the same. So yeah, this is action command. So basically we want to send this area. Yeah, you can type area here as well, but you know, you can also just use this command. And so for Comic Sans and the Times New Roman, so Comic Sans action command is this one, and Times New Roman. Okay, so now we can send these information to this set font method. So let's receive it and use it. So let's make switch and use this selected font. Okay, case area. So if, you know, selected font is area, then text area set font area. Comic Sans MS set font Comic Sans, and Times New Roman, this one, Times New Roman. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so Also, we want to call this set font method from here as well, because so if you click different size, then we need to recreate the font with a new font size. So we're gonna call this create font method again, and call this set font method again. So inside is selected font, I think. And I think we should set the default font. Otherwise, probably we're gonna get null pointer error at some point. So maybe inside of this constructor, because this is the first thing the program is gonna process. So format dot selected font. So yeah, we want to add some value to this variable. This is string, so let's set Arial as the default, and also set the default size. So format create font size default is like 16. And word wrap as well. Word wrap is, I don't know, I'm not sure. Probably not necessary, but let's do this. Word wrap. So at first it's gonna call this method, word wrap method. Okay. Yeah, let's check this. So and yeah, let's change font like Comic Sans. Wait a minute, what? It's so small, why? What the? Okay. We forgot to yeah, I often do this mistake, so we forgot to type break here. I think that's the reason. Let's check it again. Okay, so yeah, type this blah 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 blah. Let's change font, Comic Sans. Okay, and Times New Roman. Okay, and let's change font size 24, 28. Okay, yeah, it's working. Okay, so I think this class is also done. This function format class. I think that's everything. So yeah, if you want to use other font or other size, then you can add like this, adding other font or like size, like size. So yeah, that's everything about this format. So and yeah, next time so we're gonna work on this edit or color. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and see you next time.